Good morning, everybody. I have been up all night just to make this video, and you know, I wanted to share with you guys a new shop that I found on Etsy recently. And this lady, she makes the most amazing cough drops. I don't know exactly what she uses when she makes them and how she does it, but she does. Now, the first one that I'm going to show you is going to be her English breakfast cough drops. Okay. Now, what I did is when they came, it basically broke in the bag in the box. And so, being that I, have these baby food jars that I washed and fully cleaned and, all that, I added her cough drops into the jars. So yes, I also tagged them, as you can see on top, English breakfast. And they are kind of big, as you can see. But these ones here are not so big, so they're kind of on the perfect size for me and my mouth. But the next ones I'm going to share with you are her after dinner cough drops, and they are a lot larger than I would have hoped for, just because of my small mouth. As you can see, these are pretty darn big. So yeah, you see that? They're pretty big. They're very, very big. And again, I did tag them. So those are her after dinner cough drops. And the next ones I want to share with you are her 7 Blossom cough drops, which are really nice. I like the outcome of how she did them. They are not too big, as you can see. They're a decent size. And again, I did tag them up on the top and still put them in these baby food jars that I had cleaned out again. The name of the shop, by the way, is called TheHiveInc. So if you have time to look them up on, Etsy, go for it. Now, the last one I, have to share with you is called Sweet Dreams. And again, I tagged it. And as you can see, I've only got one left. And they are pretty darn small, which is one reason why I like them a lot. And yes, these are very, very good. Her Sweet Dreams, along with the 7 Blossom, are my most favorited out of the cough drops that I've purchased. So yeah, if you have time to go look at the shop, do so. For these cough drops, they are about $7, a bag, which is pretty darn cheap considering the fact that most people charge a lot more, and they are a lot better than your store-bought stuff, because who knows what goes into store-bought stuff. Nobody really, unless you're the one that makes the stuff that you would buy in the stores, such as like these ones here, from the dollar store, which I don't mind so much because I do buy them a lot, just because those ones are like $2 or $3 in a dollar store. Big deal. Nonetheless, you never know what really goes into them. So that's the only bad thing about store-bought cough drops. Nothing in those would be good for you. Like I said, TheHiveInc on Etsy, $7 a bag for her cough drops. Check out the shop. You'll never regret buying them. So, yeah, go for it.